Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Jetta MK5 5th generation or a Golf 5th generation. So what you need to do, guys, we installed a used compressor. It had oil in it, but that's the used one that we had. But if you replace it with a new one, you will need to add some oil to the system as well. In our case, we just need to add refrigerant, and if you open the hood, guys, that will be the same procedure from 05 until 2010. That's where it says in the corner, as you can see on the passenger side front corner, it says the requirements. That's the refrigerant R134A, and it takes 525 grams plus minus 25. 1 little can, guys, it's 340. You can buy a big can that's about 500 grams, which will be more convenient. That way you need to use only one. And the low pressure side is located right there. We're demonstrating on that TDI diesel engine, but it will be the same for the gas as well. You need to remove the cap. We need to install the hose now. Just push it in, and after that you need to go inside the vehicle and start it. And after you start it, you need to make sure that the fan is on. You need to make sure the AC button is on and it's all the way on cold. And now you can go ahead and start adding the refrigerant. Okay, just like that. Don't go upside down, just add it like that so it goes slow in the system. And outside right now it's about 75, so that should be between 25 and 45 pressure in the system. Okay, and it'll take probably a couple of minutes to do that. As you can see, the compressor kicked in, so it's good now. It's going to take some, and we'll need to add the second can. The first one will take it faster. And if you're using two small cans, you need to make sure that you don't use a whole full one from the second one, because that will be 680 grams, which will be too much. So we need to use only about half of the second one. Alright, guys, and now you need to go ahead, unhook the hose and install the second can and add about half of it. If you have a scale, you can actually scale it, but you can fill it by hand pretty easy. Okay, this one has a little bit left in it, but you cannot get all of it no matter what you do. And this is the second one now. Let's go ahead and just install this one, add half, and we'll see how the temperature is inside. You can see the fans, they start working and then they stop and they start depending on the temperature. So if it's a hot day, the fan will probably stay on for a long time. Okay, but that motor is still cold, okay, and they still turn on. Alright, guys, we added the second one, about half of it, and now you go inside. That thing is going to freeze you. It's ice cold. I wish I had a thermometer. We'll get thermometer for our next video so we can show you guys, but that thing is super cold. So it works really good. That's how you recharge it. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.